To take partial screenshot on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you will have to go into the settings and from here scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience right there. From here scroll down and go for the screenshot, and here first of all you have to enable this option, free finger touch and hold, and this one is for the partial screenshot or scrolling screenshot. So let's simply enable it, and here we have the instruction that we have to touch and hold it with 3 fingers and then release to view partial screenshot options. And we also have the visuals of how to do this. So simply now press and hold with 3 fingers on our screen, and now we have to release, as there is this thing. Let me just show you. Press and hold, and when this text appears we have to lift it, and now we can make the partial screenshot. And we have 3 options to do this. We can trace the region that we want to capture, we can make the elliptical area of the screenshot, or the rectangular area. So let's, for example, take this, so we can draw the screenshot just like this, and here is our shape. And yeah, you can make it bigger or smaller and some other things. Here are some options for this screenshot, and basically all you have to do is now to save it, and as we go into the photos we have this partial screenshot right here. So that's how to do it.